November is the Diabetic Awareness Month, and this month I'll talk about the topics related to diabetes and blood sugar level. When we ask a question, what is the number one thing that you should be tracking when you're trying to lose weight? Most of the patient will answer calories. Yes, counting calories is important, but at the same time, checking your blood sugar level after eating a meal is very important too. After you eat food that are high in sugar or have a high glycemic index will increase your blood sugar level, which in turn will spike your insulin level. Spike in insulin level will cause body to store the extra calories as fat, thus increasing your weight or preventing you from losing weight. It's not only the food that are high in sugar and simple carb, but also a lot of this processed food will cause postprandial spike in your blood sugar, and which in turn spikes your insulin level. So cut down on processed food too. Patients that have insulin resistant or have very low insulin sensitivity will have elevated blood glucose level for longer time after eating meal than a normal patient. This elevated blood sugar level will cause spike in the insulin level for longer time, which in turn increases your weight by storing all the calories as fat. So it is very important, especially when you're trying to lose weight, to make sure that you improve your overall insulin sensitivity. And I'm going to talk about how to improve your overall insulin sensitivity in my next video. So if you're trying to lose weight, try to eat food that are low in glycemic index, which doesn't spike your blood glucose level and your insulin level after eating your meal. And track your blood sugar level after meal to see if there is any specific food that's causing the blood glucose spike, which in turn causes weight gain. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.